Hello and welcome everyone to the Bestsellers Market. I'm thrilled to have you join us today for an exciting countdown of the best-selling seat covers and accessories products on Amazon. As we dive into the world of car accessories, we'll be exploring the finest products that have captured the hearts of consumers and topped the charts on Amazon. Whether you're looking to protect your car seats, add a touch of style, or simply enhance your driving experience, we've got you covered. So, without further ado, let's get started with our countdown. Sit back, relax, and let's discover the best of the best in seat covers and accessories. Here we go. Let's dive into our top 5 spot on the best-selling seat covers and accessories on Amazon. Introducing the Cat Mesh Flex automotive seat covers for cars, trucks, and SUVs in sleek gray. These seat covers are not just an accessory, they're a game changer for your vehicle's interior. First up, durability and protection. Imagine the relentless grind from your daily commute or the rugged wear and tear from job sites. Cat car seat covers are your ultimate shield, transforming your worn-out seats into a modern, stylish sanctuary. They don't just hide the wear, they breathe new life into your car's interior. Now, let's talk comfort and breathability. Long drives can be a hassle, but with our specially selected materials, comfort is no longer a luxury, it's a given. The honeycomb mesh back and seat are meticulously designed to enhance ventilation. Say goodbye to sweaty backs and hello to a cool, comfortable journey. No matter how long the drive. Worried about safety? Fear not. Our seat covers are airbag compatible. Using a unique side stitching technique, these covers are designed to release instantly when the side airbags deploy, ensuring your safety features function seamlessly. It's protection without compromise. Installation woes? We've got you covered with our universal fit design. Installing the cat front seat covers is a breeze, thanks to the easy-to-follow instructions. Within minutes, you'll have a snug, secure fit. Although achieving the perfect fit might take a bit of tweaking, the result is undoubtedly worth it. Here's a quick rundown of the measurements to ensure a perfect fit. The headrest measures 11 inches in length and 9 inches in width. The bucket seat back is 2 feet high and 1 foot 9 inches wide, while the bottom stretches 1 foot 6 inches from the back and is 1 foot 10 inches wide. These dimensions are designed for an optimal fit across a wide range of vehicles. To sum it up, the Cat Mesh Flex automotive seat covers aren't just about covering your seats. They're about enhancing your driving experience. Durable protection, unbeatable comfort, uncompromised safety, and effortless installation, all rolled into one. Elevate your ride with Cat Mesh Flex and feel the difference every time you get behind the wheel. Stay tuned as we move closer to revealing the #1 best-selling seat cover and accessory on Amazon. At number 4 on our list of best-selling seat covers and accessories on Amazon, we present the ingenious Drop Stop, the original patented car seat gap filler, as seen on Shark Tank. This is not just a product, it's a solution to a problem every driver faces. Let's dive in. Picture this. You're driving and your phone slips from your hand. Or maybe it's your keys or that spare change. They vanish into the abyss between your seat and the center console. Frustrating, isn't it? That's where Drop Stop comes in. This product offers 100% gap coverage in front of, around, and behind the seatbelt catch. It's a seamless fit, attaching directly to the seatbelt catch via a built-in slot. The beauty? It moves with your seat. No need for constant readjustments or reinstallations. Remember, Drop Stop isn't just a quick fix. It's the original patented seat gap filler, designed to last a lifetime. This is a one-time purchase that keeps delivering day in, day out. Crafted from high-grade neoprene, it flexes to fit any gap size. Universally fitting most vehicles, Drop Stop contracts or expands as needed. You get 2 Drop Stops per package, one for the driver's side and one for the passenger side. But that's not all. There are 2 bonus gifts included, a slide-free pad and an LED credit card light. The slide-free pad ensures your essentials stay put on your dash, and the LED credit card light is perfect for those moments when you need a quick burst of light in a compact form. Here's the best part. Once installed, Drop Stop blends in seamlessly. The gap in your car is always a dark shadow, so Drop Stop's sleek design ensures you won't even notice it's there. Until, of course, it stops that drop. Drop Stop doesn't just fill a gap, it fills a need. It's that invisible line of defense against those irritating and potentially dangerous distractions. Say goodbye to the dreaded search and rescue missions in the narrow crevices of your car. Stay tuned as we continue our countdown and top 3 must-have seat covers and accessories that are changing the game on Amazon. The best is yet to come. Coming in at number 3 on our countdown of the best-selling seat covers and accessories on Amazon is a product that redefines comfort and support for your seating experience. Presenting the Everlasting Comfort Doctor, recommended memory foam seat cushions designed for those long sitting sessions, whether you're at the office, in the car, or on a plane. Let's dive into what makes this cushion a game changer. First and foremost, doctor recommended support and comfort. This cushion is engineered to reduce tailbone pain and promote healthy posture. If you spend hours sitting, this cushion becomes your best ally, alleviating discomfort and enhancing your well-being. Crafted from 100% premium memory foam, this cushion doesn't just promise comfort, it delivers it consistently. The high-quality memory foam adapts to your body, ensuring durability and unwavering support. Whether you're gaming, working at your desk, or needing extra comfort in a wheelchair, this cushion rises to the occasion. But comfort isn't just about what's inside. The soft and breathable cover adds another layer of luxury. Machine washable and breathable, this cover is easy to clean and keeps you cool. Plus, the non-slip bottom ensures the cushion stays in place, providing stable and reliable comfort. The secret to this cushion's pain-relieving magic lies in its ergonomic design. The U-shape cutout minimizes pressure on the tailbone and lower back, supports spinal alignment, and reduces the impact of gravity on your spine. Say goodbye to those nagging aches and pains, and hello to a more comfortable seating experience. Versatility is another strong suit of the Everlasting Comfort seat cushion. It's ideal for office, home, and travel. Whether it's your office chair, car seat, or even an airplane seat, this cushion fits perfectly and maintains its shape over time. And the best part, it's HSA and FSA eligible, making it a smart investment in your health and comfort. So there you have it, the Everlasting Comfort Doctor recommended memory foam seat cushion, a blend of unparalleled comfort, enduring support, and versatile use. It's more than a cushion, it's your gateway to a pain-free, comfortable seating experience. Stay with us as we inch closer to revealing the top 2 seat covers and accessories transforming the way we drive, work, and travel. The excitement builds from here. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling seat covers and accessories on Amazon? Well, buckle up and give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our comfy updates. Taking the number 2 spot in our countdown of the best-selling seat covers and accessories on Amazon is a product that combines style, comfort, and protection in one comprehensive package. Introducing the BDK PolyPro car seat covers full set in charcoal on black. Let's explore why this set is a must-have for any vehicle owner. First up, protection against wear and tear. Whether your car is brand new or new to you, these seat covers act as a shield, protecting against the daily grind that takes its toll on your vehicle's interior. Think of it as armor for your seats, preserving their pristine condition for years to come. Comfort is paramount, and the BDK PolyPro seat covers don't disappoint. Made from breathable materials, the high-quality poly outer layer is designed for maximum ventilation. This ensures that even on the hottest days, you stay cool and comfortable during your drive. No more sticky, uncomfortable seats, just pure, breathable comfort. But protection and comfort are just the beginning. The stylish design of these seat covers is a real head-turner. Featuring a sleek two-tone design with stitched accents, they add a splash of color and a touch of elegance to your vehicle's interior. It's an easy way to refresh your car's look and make a statement. Worried about installation? Don't be. These covers are easy to install. With clear instructions and helpful installation videos, you'll have the front seat covers on in no time, followed by the rear bench seat cover and headrest covers. It's the best investment for your new vehicle and also the quickest. Versatility is key, and the BDK PolyPro seat covers excel in this area too. They offer a universal fit, designed to accommodate most vehicles, including cars, trucks, vans, and SUVs. While some adjustments might be needed to achieve the perfect fit, such as making room for seatbelt buckles and other features, the end result is well worth the effort. To summarize, the BDK PolyPro car seat covers full set in charcoal on black offers a trifecta of benefits: robust protection, superior comfort, and eye-catching style. They're an essential upgrade for any vehicle, ensuring your seats stay protected and your ride stays comfortable and stylish. As we gear up to reveal the #1 best-selling seat cover and accessory on Amazon, the excitement is palpable. Stay tuned for the final reveal. It's going to be epic. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, the #1 best-selling seat cover and accessory on Amazon. Topping our list is none other than the ComfiLife Gel Enhanced Seat Cushion, a product that redefines comfort, support, and relief for your seating needs. Let's delve into what makes the ComfiLife cushion truly exceptional. First, it's hailed as the most comfortable gel memory foam cushion on the market. Imagine premium quality, durable memory foam, enhanced with a cooling gel layer on top. This combination provides unparalleled comfort, transforming any chair into a haven of relaxation. The cushion features a non-slip rubber bottom to keep it securely in place, a built-in handle for easy transport, and a machine-washable zippered velour cover for effortless cleaning. The ergonomically designed seat cushion is a marvel of engineering. It offers maximum support while alleviating pressure on the coccyx or tailbone. This isn't just about comfort, it's about promoting healthy posture and reducing strain during long sitting sessions. But the benefits don't stop there. The ComfiLife cushion is a beacon of relief for those suffering from lower back pain and sciatica. Whether you're dealing with herniated discs, tailbone injuries, or other spinal issues, this cushion supports your recovery journey. It's perfect for office use, driving, traveling, and even wheelchair use, making it a versatile companion for all your seating needs. Now let's hear from those who know best, the users. Our customers love ComfiLife cushion. Testimonials pour in, praising its life-changing impact. I have already recommended this to all my office mates that sit all day as well. I love it. And some advice. Lock it up after you use it, or I guarantee one of your sneaky cube mates will swipe it. Another user exclaims, "This has saved my life as one with lower back pain due to pinched nerve roots." And for those with chronic conditions, the cushion is a game changer. I have herniated discs and sciatica for many years. This cushion allowed me to drive cross-state with little to no pain. However, we understand that comfort is subjective. Personalized comfort is key. While the ComfiLife cushion is designed to suit a wide range of preferences and needs, it might not be the ideal fit for everyone. This is a common trait of ergonomic products. We encourage giving it a fair trial period to adapt to its feel and support, ensuring it meets your unique comfort requirements. In summary, the ComfiLife Gel Enhanced Seat Cushion stands unrivaled at the pinnacle of our countdown. It's a perfect blend of superior comfort, exceptional support, and versatile use, making it the #1 choice for those seeking the ultimate seating solution. Stay tuned for more exciting reviews and product insights. Here's to sitting comfortably and living pain-free. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling seat covers and accessories on Amazon. To stay updated with all the top sellers, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we discussed today. Until next time, thank you and see you soon.